This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to this next episode of Mini Lock Monday. I have a wheel with 13 locks left on it, and we will be spinning the wheel, and I will pick whichever lock the wheel chooses. So, let's get to rolling the wheel. All locks on this wheel are 40 millimeters or smaller. Looks like it's going to be number 5, Master Lock Brass, model number 130. So, let's get to picking. Alright, give this little Master Lock 130 a go. Go. Alrighty. Tune in next Monday for the next lock the wheel picks. And if you are a subscriber, thank you. If you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. Thank you for watching.